Hey everybody, we're back on the range today. This is Buffman. Got some more Desert Ammo Supply 5.7 to test. Today we have that 45 grain Humidity B hollow point projectile. This particular round is designed for the 5.7 pistol only. We'll take one shot at 10 feet, see what we get in our gel. We have clear ballistics gel, 10%, 6x6 by 16 inch block, pro cono pal cono as always. It's about 60 degrees outside. Velocity was 1,761 feet per second. Let's go take a look at that. We'll have to try a couple of different angles to see the wound track with this. I want to try to get as much as I can out of these blocks before I remelt them, because the more I melt them, the darker they get and the harder it is to see stuff. But looking at this projectile, we've got 14 inches of penetration as far as our 45 grain goes. Looking at this one right here, there's jacket fragments within the first inch. Good cavity there. Settles down a little bit. There's some more fragments. Move on a little, and there's some more that goes away. And good permanent wound cavity until our resting point right there. Try a top-down shot. It's this particular wound track right here. There's a fragment that we saw. Permanent wound cavity, and there is our bullet. We'll dig that out and get some measurements on it. Thanks again, Desert Ammo Supply, for the ammunition. Until the next test, take it easy, everybody.